with me. Let's take some more updates on this. And now, viewers, Maharashtra Minister Prakash Ambedkar has reacted to the assault as well. And he said there can be no justification for resorting to violence. Ambedkar said that any grievance should be taken to the appropriate authorities and not resolved through physical assault. Also assured that necessary action will be taken against those found guilty. The minister also appealed to doctors to remain patient, saying their services are crucial, especially as Maharashtra continues to face heavy rains.
नहीं, लोकशाही प्रक्रिया में जिस तरह से अगर हम लोग काम करते हैं तो काम करते समय अगर किसी से दिरंगाई होती है तो उसके लिए अपीलिंग अथॉरिटी है, कंप्लेनेंट अथॉरिटी है, उनके पास हम लोग जाएंगे और उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई करने के लिए मांग करेंगे तो सही रहेगा। हम अगर मारपीट पे आएंगे तो ये बात ठीक नहीं है। जैसा कि लोकशाही प्रक्रिया में हम लोग जबकि पॉलिटिकल वर्कर है तो हम लोगों के लिए बहुत सारी आचार संहिता रहती है जिसका पालन करना ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रहता है। हम लोग इसके लिए अच्छी तरह से काम कर रहे हैं। आप अगर देखेंगे तो जिस तरह से 1400 लोगों की डॉक्टर्स की भर्ती हम लोगों ने की है, अभी 600 डॉक्टर्स के लिए एडवर्टाइज निकाल रहे हैं हम लोग। 1900 डॉक्टर्स CHO जो है कि जो गांव पातळी पे काम करते हैं उनके लिए भी हम लोगों ने जो एडवर्टाइज निकाली है उसका भी जो हाईकोर्ट में एक डिसीजन होना था वो भी डिसीजन हो गया है। हम लोग डॉक्टर पूरी तरह से भर रहे हैं। बाकी स्टाफ के लिए 5000 पदों की मान्यता आदरणीय CM साहब ने कैबिनेट में दी है। हम लोग अच्छी तरह से हमारे जो आस्थापना है वो कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ हम लोगों के माध्यम से अच्छा काम होना चाहिए तो समाज की अपेक्षा है उसके लिए भी हम लोग निश्चित रूप से बांधिल है।
All right, Shweta, I want to come back to you once again. So far, has any investigation been initiated by the government and how are doctors responding? Because IMA had issued a strike order.
Well, that's right. In fact, as soon as this video has gone viral, we have been seeing a lot of political reactions taking place. And now in series of political reactions, we understand that there's IMA Maharashtra has also demanded justice for the lady doctor there. And in the letter, in fact, what IMA has written, they have strongly condemned the assault that has taken on the female doctor and the nursing staff there at Shastri Nagar Hospital in Dombivli. Moreover, Kriti, we are learning from the letter that has been written. It states that in support of the victim doctors, now IMA will be going on 24 hours of medical strike. In fact, from tomorrow onwards till 10th of July, that is 24 hours of medical strike will be there, and they have also demanded the strict action, including the arrest of the accused. And if they, the government instead, they fail to do this, they will be doing a state-wise agitation. That comes as a huge, because we have understanding how IMA is supporting the victim staff as well as the doctor there. And as soon as this video has gone viral, we have seen that how IMA is coming to light, and they have been giving ultimatum to the government, and if they fail to do so, they would be taking this as a statewide agitation.
Shweta, thank you very much for joining us on this. And now, viewers, moving ahead. Now, the main accused in the rape and murder of a 12